Now our topic is reasons for commission of cybercrimes. First, it is necessary for us to understand the meaning of cybercrime. Cybercrime means criminal activities that are carried out using computers, networks, or the internet. Cybercrime includes a wide range of illegal activities such as hacking, unauthorized access, malware, ransomware, phishing, online scams and fraud, DDoS attacks, etc. Cyber crimes may cause financial loss, reputation damage, privacy invasion, and emotional distress. Cyber crimes have turned out to be a low investment, low risk business with huge returns. Cyber criminals launch malicious cyber attacks due to following reasons. First is money. Cyber criminals want to make quick and easy money. Cyber criminals may steal credit card information, conduct fraudulent transactions, or carry out ransomware attacks or sell the stolen valuable business information to competitors. It means that they may launch ransomware attack on your computer system. It means that when there is an attack on your computer system, whatever is there in your computer system, the all the data in your system is locked, and you cannot any access any of the data on your computer system. The cyber criminal asks for money, and when you pay him the demanded money, only after that he will give back the access of your computer to you. Though the physically the computer system is present with you, but it will be remotely locked by the cyber criminal. It may be also be possible that the cyber criminal may steal the information which is of sensitive information or which is your personal information, and he may sell this personal or sensitive information to your competitor in lieu of money. Next reason for cybercrime may be personal revenge or vendetta. In some cases, cybercrime may be motivated by personal grudges, revenge, or vendetta. Individuals may seek to harm others by damaging reputation or compromising personal data. The next is espionage and intelligence gathering. Nation states or state sponsored groups may carry out cyber attacks to gather classified information, disrupt rival countries, or gain a competitive advantage in areas such as defense, technology, or economy. Next is hacktivism. What is the meaning of hacktivism? Hacktivism refers to the use of hacking or cyber attacks as a means to promote or advance a political or social agenda. The cyber criminals may deface websites, leak sensitive information, or disrupt online services to raise awareness or protest or advocate for a particular cause. That is, the cyber criminals want to draw the attention of the world towards their cause for which they are fighting. The motivation behind hacktivism includes advocating for freedom of speech, exposing human rights abuses, or challenging political ideologies. Next reason for cybercrime may be fun. The amateur do cybercrime for fun. The next point is recognition. Some individuals want to test their skills and knowledge in hacking. They may hack highly secured networks like defense sites or networks to showcase their abilities or gain recognition within the hacker community. It is important to note that these motivations which we have discussed above are not exhaustive, and individual cases of cybercrime can have unique circumstances and motives. This is the state of affairs that some cyber criminals offer on demand service. These cyber criminals operate in underground forms or dark web marketplaces where they advertise their skills and services to potential clients. The persons, organization, or a country may contact these cyber criminals for illegal activities such as hacking an organization to gain access to some sensitive data or create massive denial of service attack on their competitors and various forms of cyber attacks. Though we are discussing about on demand service being provided by cyber criminals, we in no way support the activities of the cyber criminals which are unethical and illegal, and they need to be curbed with stringent hands. Based on the demand of the customer, the hackers write malware, virus, etc. to suit their requirements. It is important to note that engaging in or supporting these illegal activities is against the law and can result in severe legal consequences. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.